ShareSync makes file sync and share easy for users without compromising security and administrative control for businesses. With ShareSync, business managers and IT administrators have control over all their ShareSync users, settings, and data. Manage users and settings directly from the control panel you use to manage all your cloud services. With one click, you can enable ShareSync for existing users on your account, or you can add new users and assign ShareSync and other services all at once. Once ShareSync is up and running, you can see how much storage an individual is using and which devices they've configured. If a user's device is lost or stolen, you can wipe ShareSync data off a device with one click. Smartphones, tablets, even laptops and PCs. You can set the retention policies for versions and deleted files for your whole account. You can also view and upgrade your account storage. Perhaps most important, when an employee leaves the company, you can immediately revoke their ShareSync permissions so they no longer have access to critical business data. ShareSync also offers an admin file management feature that provides account owners with the ability to view and manage all of their ShareSync data. We'll talk more about that feature in a separate video. Your ShareSync data is encrypted at all points with at-rest and in-transit encryption. And we back ShareSync with a 99.999% uptime service level agreement. ShareSync gives account owners and administrators the control they want and the security they need.